are back here at Elk Mountain. We're finally gonna finish it this time. Just a little reminder, I'll show you some clips of the last time we were here. And we're down there, we're so close to the edge. Just crawling upwards. I noticed I'll get some spike shoes. Like figured out how to get down. Well, this is exactly where we stopped the last time because I cannot get up with snow on it. I was like crawling. At least here it has like different levels because of the branches, or I mean the roots. But yeah, some guy said it was like another probably 45 minutes from here. Oh, we're almost there though. So basically hike up this mountain twice. For June 1st and there is still some snow. I really want to lay on top of it. We use the snow to wash the apple. There's a lot more that we can go see, but I feel like it's quite similar to this view and you're done. We're all thinking about is food right now. We're just having crackers. We have an apple, some beef jerky, and that's pretty much it. So we're just at Walmart right now and we got a bunch of canned food, so when we can he's testing it right now, but we got a stove that takes propane gas. We got a lot of canned food for our, and then we have rice back there as well, so we can eat on the road and we could bring it when we're up with the mountains. That's exciting. We actually came from what's it called, Canadian Tire, and we bought one from Canadian Tire, but this is the one that he wanted, so now we're gonna go back to Canadian Tire to return it, because what we realized was that these ones are much smaller and they're like double the price of the one that he actually wanted. So in the long run, even though the stove is more expensive by like $10, it'll save us a lot more because of the gas, because one of this equals like 2 of this. It's like $6.77 for this one, and then it's like $11 for that one. So yeah, we're gonna be eating a lot of canned food with rice. This is our home for the month. So we're actually gonna stay overnight in Walmart. We actually wanted to put our tent out there, but it says private property, so we can't. So we're probably gonna park down there somewhere. There's a lot of RVs already chilling there. You can see the mountains in the background. We got some pizza for dinner and our tent is set up. It's brought to you by Walmart.
Weather's beautiful. It's gonna be hot again today. I'm gonna go to the lake for sure. All right, I'm gonna get some brush your teeth, get some breakfast, and go hiking.
Oh my gosh, it was a brutal ass morning. We spent 4 hours driving on dirt road to go to this mountain, and we ended up turning back around because it was effing up the car too much. Like, I feel so bad about his car. I think we're done for the day. All we did was driving, but we're done. And we have the river, which we're going to be bathing in. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I feel gross and disgusting. So we're probably gonna sit here and you could bathe here. And this is our kitchen where we're gonna be cooking and whatnot. We have a fire pit. We're just collecting wood right now. And then I think we're gonna put the tents right here so we can see the car. And the only thing that sucks is that when the cars pass by, there's a lot of debris and dirt. But to be honest, it's free, so what do you expect? Ready for a shower. We just finished taking a shower here and it feels so good after being nasty and sweaty. Like, I smelled so bad, as Noelle says. We hung all our clothes. We tried to wash our underwear and stuff like that, and we were just hanging it on the tree so it dries. We already set up the tent. So we got the back facing the car, so just in case anything, and we got the front facing the river. And yeah, this is like the perfect spot. This is actually my first time camping where it's like you're out in the wilderness, because I did this as a kid, but like 5 meters over there's like a water park, so it wasn't for real camping. So this is quite exciting actually. Yesterday we slept at Walmart, as you remember. So this one we're actually camping. Yeah, I brought some games. as well, so we're gonna play. It's only 3:22, so we have the whole day ahead of us. All right, let's go grab some dinner. We're just walking over to our pantry. Pop it open. All right, what are we feeling today? Let's get some mushrooms, beans, and some rice. And we got bowls too. We got the bowls from here from our cupboard. And here we have 2 bowls. 2 bowls. Getting this fire started. We got the top chef here.
Good thing about campfire.
Alright, we're just having breakfast right now, and we're using our new burner. We boiled some water to make some milk tea. We're making our second batch.
Heated up some ravioli. Chef Boyardee.
Oh yeah, okay, we'll do that.
No fighting.
Oh, not my... You bit my toe! Yeah.
It's not a good thing. Okay, go. Shoot.
Old ass. Climbed up some rocks. And here's the lake. Ooh. So we're at another provincial park, which is called, I think it's Cactus Lake Provincial Park. And I was trying to ask around to see if there's a public shower, but there isn't. It's only for the people that are camping overnight. And I was called to ask how much it is, and it's about $36 for the campground, like in the woods, and then $49 for the waterfront. But they have like these water sprout thingies, so I'm gonna try to shower with that. Right now we're just having lunch, so we're gonna have rice with meatballs and gravy and some corn. I got some crackers for some snack. We have some apples as well. We don't have a can opener, so he's using a knife to open it. So skillful. And here's our meal. I know it came with potatoes too. That's cold. You can do it. You can do it. We're back at the Walmart, and we set up our tent a bit too early, and security came and said we had to put it away because they didn't want to attract the wrong type of people. And now we're sleeping in the car. It's a bit more cramped, but it's good. It's more heated than outside. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully we get some sleep. I didn't get much sleep in the last 2 days. The last 3 days have been super hot. It was like 30, 25 degrees, and now it's like, I don't know, 10 or something. But we'll be indoors today, and we got an Airbnb, so I'm so excited about that. We're gonna go in as soon as it's check-in time and get out as soon as it's the latest checkout time.
You deserve it.
Yeah, after sleeping in like the car in the tent for 3 days. First came into Vancouver, we saw this place, and then when we went to Chilliwack on a day trip, we saw this place passing by, and we're always like, yeah, we want to go, but it's always been closed. But now it's reopened. We're supposed to have a lot of different activities, and this guy's excited about the batting cage. I swear I read something about it.
I hope they have it. Don't get my hopes up now.
He's been wanting to go there for the longest time. There's like mini golf.
I'm gonna have to bat something outside the place.
And there's like go-karting. I don't know if that's open.
What? Don't even lie.
It's just right there, go-kart raceway. Unless they're just saying that.
Don't even.
Yeah.
She got hole in one, but we didn't record it, dang it. So we're gonna try again. Let's see how lucky Lisa is. Oh! Aww. Okay, fine.
Count it. Oh, too hard.
I played it safe though.
Alright, but I don't think we get the ball back. So we did it based off of whoever got the least amount of points. And then the second half, I got 27 and he got 41, so I got the least amount.
So if you get it in, what happens?
I think we get a free pass from. Ah.
That's a nice way to collect them.
We actually got our ball back, so Noel's gonna try. Oh. Right back to you.
So what? No, if you miss, so that's -2 now. So that's 42, 44.
Oh, no.
That's hard, that's hard.
Yeah, it's okay, none of us won. So I got 60 and he got 78.
Oh shit. Yeah, that was fun.
You say I was gonna lose. And you could even do soccer ball here. Soccer kick. By this mad butcher that we saw along the way while Noel was falling asleep. And we're gonna make some nice meal.
Oh, look at this. Top sirloin. Marinated. Buy one, get this next one 50 off.
Ooh.
Not that bad.
Look at this amazing dinner by the one and only chef. So tonight we actually got an Airbnb. This is so nice and refreshing after sleeping in the car in the tents for a good 3 days. And the best part is we got our own bed. I'm taking the single one and Noel's gonna take the bigger one. And we have our own nice bathroom, which we took a nice long shower. I feel so refreshed. Not like the lake water or from the beach tap water. It's
actually nice filtered water. Okay, I'm gonna go and enjoy the dinner that Noelle made.
The background might be a bit familiar because we moved back into our old place, thankfully. The main reason why we moved back is because the fact of not knowing where you're going to shower or where you're going to sleep, that was kind of annoying. I should have planned the trip a lot better. I didn't plan it at all. I was just like, yeah, we'll just sleep wherever and shower wherever. That did not work out. And plus we were spending a lot more money than saving. Yeah, luckily this room was empty. We were able to take it over until the next tenants come. A week we'll be homeless again. And yeah, we're just in the process of finding a new place. We found 2 great places, but I was waiting for my dream place and that second place got taken and I didn't get this dream place, sadly. But yeah, we'll find a good place and I'll show you guys another house tour or room tour or something. Yeah, this was our old room and this is our new room. So I got confused for the longest time and kept trying to go to that room. It's pretty much the same layout as the old one, but a smaller closet that's not sliding. And the vanity is over here and the bathroom is split up from it. Yeah, we made a mess. We have to pack all this away in less than a week.